Yes, Mina, thank you, and good afternoon, members of the media. What's encouraging to me is the fact that the club with stadium management as the venue authority, we made one firm decision, and we can't allow the fake ticket holders and overcapacity to dictate uh, the game day for us. To achieve a more fan-friendly experience, we need to improve on the access control to the venue. I think we all agree, we've all been involved in the last 3-4 fixtures at the venue. I also said to you, it's going to come with pain. We're not nearly, with the last couple of games, we're not nearly where we want to be. But we're going in the right direction. We all realize that it's not going to be with the lessons from the past. It wasn't the smooth experience as we would have liked it to be. The fact is, in relation to the earlier arrivals, and I've said it to you in the past week as well, we need to deal with 51,000 people in the last hour at the last two derbies. To get those amount of people and that number of people into the venue puts pressure on any system, puts pressure on the crowd management, puts pressure on the crowd control. People need to arrive early, but with that being said, and we've never, you know, I'm not a person hiding behind anything. If you arrive early, the processes and the systems in place has to be smooth as well.
Do you think that the coach is easy job? If it was easy, anyone can make the job, and any team can score, any team can win. That's the difficulty in football. You can have a big team that they can defend, they can concede work, and then you make player to score and to create opportunity to score. For us, as a coach, the most important thing is the performance of the team. When you perform and you create opportunity, and there is model game clear, that's our job. But after it's a lot of good inside. If it is like you said, like that is our job, so it's not easy. Anyone can make the job. The solution is to continue to work in the how you can if you have another solution devices.
It's the same kind of questions to you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for having us. Thank you for your time. And looking at Stellenbosch going into the game, I mean, we lost at the stage. It wasn't a really easy game. The better it was, and we're looking forward to rectifying those mistakes. It's going to be a tough game, but we're looking forward to the challenge.
No, I think in the sense of that we know our reality, and to be honest, what was important is for us not to focus on the past, because to be honest, we can't change anything. What we hoped for, it didn't happen that way. So the focus had to shift from that and focus on the games in hand, and the game tomorrow will play a very important role going forward. So for now, we know that the only focus is the league. So we take the game as it comes.